From mechanical systems to appliances, adding things to the HomeServe app is easy. Tap the appliance you wish to add and choose Use Product Label Photo to take a photo, or choose one from your camera's library. Just be sure it clearly shows the manufacturer and model number. And within 24 hours, we will bring you support content. Support content includes manuals and troubleshooting guides, helpful videos, and parts and supplies you can easily order online. Having trouble getting a clear photo of the label? Simply add it manually. Type in the brand and the model number, and the app will load all of the important information, including a notice if the item has been recalled. We've given you the most common groups to start, but you can easily add your own simply by tapping the Add Group button. Under the Help section, you will find frequently asked questions, along with more how-to videos, as well as a handy tool to help you find your make and model. Should you ever need help, we are always a tap away.